Wow, Sean, I didn't even recognize you with that haircut. It looks good. You look like a new man. Man, you're trying to glow up now that you and Raul broke up? It's like, yeah. Trying to get back at Raul and make him a little jealous, you know? I'm sure Raul is.
No.
We're moving along on the Model 3. We're almost done, actually. I mean, we got most of the major panels done, like on the whole side. We just gotta do the rear bumper and the front bumper, and I think that's it. Oh, damn it! Get the whole other side. Sean, you f***ing deceived me, bro. Never mind, we still got this whole side to do. Sean, it's been 10 years. The coronavirus has ended.
What are you talking? What?
And you're still not done with it.
Today's the first day. It's still here. I'll be excited.
I hope I give it to you then. And all you're doing is you're playing with these stupid fake dentist tools.
That's the key. Everyone doesn't know that. Dentist tools are the right tools.
Too bad you don't have a little box of floss. You do have a bag of floss.
Yeah, of course.
These are like the plastic version that dentists would use when they're about to clean your teeth. This is something they would give to like the dentists in training.
Out of my allowance.
You look like a pelican.
You look like a pelican.
No, I look like Bane from the Dark Knight.
You don't look like Bane from the Dark Knight. You look like a pelican.
No, I don't. We have an Infiniti in today. Putting on new wheels on this. Vossen HF-2s in brushed gloss black. Brushed down the middle, all the silver, and then gloss black along the edges. This is actually a really good color for this car because this car has chrome on it, as you guys can see. So that's actually going to tie in very well with the brushed black here. So we're done with Infiniti, and it looks really good, guys. Happy with how it came out. The colors on the wheel work really well with the colors of the car. The brush works well with the chrome. The dark blue matches really well with the brushed and the black. So everything just ties together. It has an OEM plus feel to it. And here's a close-up of the wheel. It's a mesh design, but it still allows you to see the calipers. And here's a side profile of the wheels in case you guys want to see. We went with a nice, easy, clean, square setup. So no issues with tire rubbing or anything like that. I could be Bane, and you can be my pelican who like sits on my shoulder like a pirate.
And I can be Wonder Woman?
Wait, what?
I can be Wonder Woman? Is that what you just said?
No, I didn't say that. I mean,
You just said I can be Wonder Woman.
no, I said you'd be a pelican.
No, I want to be Wonder Woman.
No. You can make that happen.
Fire.
You know what's crazy is that now since that your mouth is covered,
Yeah.
I could pretty much remove the audio and make you say whatever I want you to say,
Really?
and no one will ever know.
You're
it. Wonderful person, and I love Raul. Almost done with this Model 3. Well, we actually are done. I think we're done. Let me look. Wait, let me look. Never mind. We still got the freaking A-pillar to do, but we're getting close. As you guys can see, we're going with a different look this time with the Model 3. Instead of doing something black.
40, we're going to go more elegant. 40 feeling.
Hey, Justin.
It's a bird. It's a plane.
No, it's just an overweight man.
Old Raiden, Casey Jones.
Who the f is Casey Jones? Who's Casey Jones?
Who did that?
We're done with the Tesla Model 3 wraps. This is a nice change for us. We always do satin black, but this is a nice, cool gray, which is really neat. It's also a very classy color. Plus, it works really well with the silver factory wheels and the chrome that's already on the car. It's a lot more elegant of a look than what we normally do. It's like this metallic dark gray color, but in the sun, it looks really light though, so it's kind of cool. It could almost pass for like a frozen BMW color. And here's some close-up shots of just the edges and things like that, just so you can see the quality of the work. And around the fender badge, because a lot of people have issues wrapping around trim pieces like that. Close-up of the mirror. Really happy with how it came out. Really clean, really classy. And the cool thing with the color too is it matches really well with the OEM wood trim on the dash, as well as the center console wrap that we did.
Woo! Woo!
But I'm not a rapper.
Nice little detail to work with the color of the seats. That's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work in your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. And I have this video here that I think you might like, so check it out. I'll see you guys next time.
So I'm working with Scorpion Sub-Zero and Noob Saibot, huh?
Fuck your mask up.
Jesus.
Made in Japan. Go, go.